What's going on? This your boy B. Listen, welcome to another episode to the Barber Spotlight. And we're putting the spotlight on Show. How you doing this Show?
I'm doing good.
Listen, this is a special one for me. This is my barber. You know what I'm saying? Who be having me looking? What we gonna do today, Show?
We're going to do a deluxe grooming, so stay tuned because it's gonna get really crazy.
So you gonna give me the wings?
Mm-hmm.
So how long you been cutting, Show?
I've been cutting for about 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah, I started when I was like 19, so I'm a late start. I didn't start when I was like 9. Well, I'm from Gary. I'm from Gary, Indiana, so.
So how did you get down here to ATL?
When I got to ATL, I actually came here when I was 25. It was the first time moving anywhere, so I got here and I didn't know anybody. I didn't know anybody at all. I was on my way to Chicago, and it's a weird story, so I don't know if you want the weird story or you want me like
I want the weird story.
Political.
No, I want no. I want the real story.
All right.
Yeah.
So I was at church one day, and I heard God say, "Move to Georgia," and I was like, "No," because I don't know anybody. Why would I go?
Right.
And so we argued for about 4 months, and so I asked for confirmation. So confirmation 1 was I had to have a car. I didn't have a car. I had to have a place to stay. I had to have some money to go, and I had a place to work. And so once I said that, everything started lining up. And I got here, and I didn't have a car. Someone gave me a car.
Really?
For free. Like,
wow.
Like,
where they at? So they gave you a car for free.
They gave me a car for free.
Okay.
And I threw a party, and I got a lot of money from the party. And then I came down here, and I told my dad I was moving to Georgia. He was like, "You know you got an aunt." I was like, "No, I don't. I didn't know that." She lived down there. I was like, "Oh, so now I know somebody." So it was like everything was just lining up, and I just came here, and I've been here for about 4 years now.
So you about to fade this up in the back?
Well, I'm gonna do the outline first.
Okay.
So right now I'm using a wall detailer. These are wireless. I like them because I can, they're lightweight, but they're powerful. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but these are strong. And I use these because, you know, when you do like film sets and photo shoots and stuff, you always have to be ready for anything. Like you might have to go into a bathroom, or you might have to like go on a bridge or something, and you don't have a cord, so these are perfect.
How did you pick up learning all the technical stuff?
Some actually through meditation. It's weird. I'm telling you, my stories are weird. So
Nah.
Through meditation, I would see actually how to
visualize.
I've never really paid
Visualize,
attention,
yeah.
and I would just get it, and I would duplicate it that day.
Power of the mind.
And it was just right there, and I was just like, I don't know, it's like copy paste.
That's a really great story, that how you just used your mind to visualize it, and then your body followed.
Yeah, so now it's like fades are probably one of my favorite things to do, like besides beards, because I love beards. So right now I am doing a fade on top of his design because I like to make a transition from light to dark from here, because he's dark down here, and then light to dark from here. So it's kind of like you have to do a little bit of symmetry.
And you just learning as you go and figuring it out.
Yeah.
And just believing that it all gonna work out.
And it did. Like I just recently got my first gig for a film. Like I'm on set for a film now.
Wow.
And imagine if I would have went back home because everything didn't look the way I wanted to right off the bat. I would have never got that opportunity. So I'm gonna fade. This is what I learned. I learned to fade halfway. So I'm not gonna do a whole fade because when I wash it, your haircut is gonna change. Your hair is gonna lay a different direction. Yeah. So that means your fade is gonna be like blurry. Okay,
so that's why I always was just wondering. I'm like, why? You wash the hair, where you'll fade it, wash it, and then come back and.
Yeah, it's kind of like I'm setting it up.
Okay.
I'm setting it up for alley-oop. Alright, so a lot of people don't know how to shampoo correctly.
They don't?
No, they don't. They just automatically put shampoo in there.
Oh, talk to me about that.
Wet the hair first, because right now your hair is basically kind of like, think of it as being dead, right? So I gotta wake it up. It's sleep.
Wake it up.
I gotta wake it up. Don't ever put straight hot water on your hair. You're gonna actually tighten it up and probably burn it.
Yeah, a lot of guys, they'll throw heat, like they'll get some hot water and just start washing their face and beard. Or hair in general.
That's bad. Like even like right here, like this area right here is sensitive, like in the front, because it's only like 3 to 5 follicles in each little pocket, right? So you just spray like hot water, or you put heat damage, or you put braids in there, you're damaging this. This is gonna come out easily. That's why you always see people with the George Jefferson, because back here is like from like maybe 10 to 15 follicles in one pocket, so it's stronger right here. So this is 3 to 5, and this is like maybe like 6 to 8.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
That's important.
Yeah.
That's important for us to know. So
what you put in your hair, what you know, what type of styles you wear. Like a lot of people go bald with dreads because of the weight.
The Stevie Wonder.
And I'm telling you, it's pulling it down. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta be careful with what type of style you want. But you know what? I have an advantage being a female in the barber industry.
Tell me about it.
Because we grow up doing hair, and I didn't do hair, but like. That's kind of like I know how to.
Right, yeah,
you know, the system, like, guys, you like, you in and out.
Yeah.
I know, we're in the shop for like 12 hours trying to get one style, so we don't watch everybody's hair get done, shampoo, flat iron, everything. So all the things that I learned from watching women, I just incorporated for men because it's hair. Right. But I don't think you should like segregate, you know, the type of techniques and treatments just because he's a male. Right. And that's why I do a lot of grooming services to take care of the hair.
You gonna make a brother go to sleep sitting up.
Oh my gosh, yo. And you know what? A lot of people come here and go to sleep. So what I normally do, I use shaving cream often, but I like to use aloe gel. And you can always like go to the store and get you an aloe plant and cut it open. Or you can just buy some that's kind of already in a jar. And I use it so his skin won't get irritated when I use the razor. Or he won't have any ingrown hairs when I see him in the next 2 weeks. Then I just massage it in. You know, once I do the razor, because I know he doesn't like his beard lowered, so I'm gonna do it from right here, make a natural connection, and then we're gonna do a leave-in conditioner. And then when you let it go, it goes naturally. That's what happens when barbers are not pulling the skin and lightly tapping. That's how you get your beard pushed down. I remember this guy, he's getting ready to fight his barber over his beard because one side was shorter than the other. It was a crazy day.
My dad gave me a bowl and sent me to school.
No, he didn't.
And it was like picture day.
Oh.
Yeah. I didn't live with him though. I was happy. I mean, that day, I was like, that's why I'm living with you.
Oh, you hurt your feelings.
It hurt my feelings. You know, I was in, I think I was 7th grade too. You know, that's when you start things changing, right?
Yeah,
so,
looking at the girls and everything.
Yeah, you know, and everybody talking about a chili bowl. And, you know, you never want to be the guy in the lunchroom getting talked about, or if you did have a chili bowl, that he was like, yeah, he sent me with a chili bowl.
So his pores and his hair shaft are still open. So I'm going to deposit this, and once I deposit it, I'm going to actually turn the steamer back on and put a plastic cap on it.
Can you deposit some money too?
No.
Wow.
Now you could do this at home. You can do it at home with a blow dryer. Normally how we used to do it. Get a plastic cap, put some leave-in conditioner, or you can use the beard serum, whatever your purpose is. His hair is gonna dry, but we're getting ready to do his detailing of his design. So I use Got to Be because Got to Be is extra strong. So I can go ahead and do it.
So what's the challenge in your perspective in terms of like guys who, you know, who don't want to cut their beard? Is it because of this idea that longer is better, and if it's stringy, that means that, I don't know, it just...
For women, same thing for women. A lot of women, when you say, I need to clip your ends,
Yeah.
they don't want you to, they think you're gonna
Cut it.
I'm not cutting it.
Right,
I'm
right.
just trimming it.
And there's a difference.
Yeah, there's a complete difference.
What's the difference between cutting it and trimming?
The hairs that are not together, that they're loose,
Mm-hmm.
those are your ends. I clip that. If I wanted to cut, that's a cut. Me just chopping it off, I'll chop all that off.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what needs to be cut. That's my guideline.
And does it grow back, it makes the hair stronger
Yeah.
with you? Okay.
Because it's kind of like a tree, like when you're pruning a plant
Mm-hmm.
and it starts to split, I need to take off the stuff that's creating the breakage. So I cut that off and that's whole. That's all it does. I'm cutting a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, like, we're plants, basically.
Mm-hmm.
What you eat is gonna come out of here. Your whole skin color is gonna change. Everything's gonna change. Your texture of your skin is gonna change.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're doing, when you trim the ends, like, I'm just gonna shape it because it's already shaped.
Mm-hmm. Oh, who shaped me? You
did.
know it.
did.
You know it. No.
I'm gonna open this up all the way.
Why are you using the clippers versus the shears?
I use the shears for more detail. This
Okay.
is to cut more of the bulk.
Gotcha. Okay. You gonna get my hair, you know what I'm saying?
You want the sponge?
You gonna make my curls pop?
Yeah, we got you.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I just gotta get the polish on.
You gonna polish the beard up.
Polish it up.
Polish it up. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.
It smells good.
Mmm.
This contraption, it's called Twist Up. Shout out to Twist Up.
Shout out to Twist.
What I do is leave moisture. This is rose water.
Mmm. Smells so good.
And this is how B gets his coils done. Then we do got to be. Gotta open the curls too.
All right, there you have it. Show did her thing like she always do. I appreciate you definitely being open to be spotlight. Make sure you guys contact Show. Where can they contact you? How can they get their information? How can they come to the show?
Just find me on Instagram, SHOWKASE with the K. I'm the first one that pops up, so you can't miss me.
Awesome. Well, listen, again, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like, put your comments at the bottom. I have show information in the description, so if you want to go ahead and make an appointment, it would be right down there. Make sure you guys watch the other spotlights, our other episodes that we have. Like always, this is your boy B. I'm here with my girl Show, and she just been spotlight. We out.